My office is going to do its best, as it has been doing, to tupatia 200 fruit trees to be planted here. Our chief guest, when you go back, you have seen under what circumstances and the environment these children are going through. Do what you can, and we shall appreciate. My office will support with a bursary at least 2, 1 boy and 1 girl.
We have Uwezo Fund, which is money given to groups. If you have groups that have projects, you can forward your certificates, then you shall be considered for funds that are interest-free. We want also the issue of mental health to be rolled out fully so that we can have a chat. And how are we going to do this? We need to introduce activities. The second lady has really done as good by bringing some food stuff, and I've decided to support her on the same line. Because we have a very bad issue and problem in Meru with drugs and alcoholism. It's so rampant. Kidole kimoja hakivunji chawa.
One of the promises that Kenya Kwanza has made, it is that it will ensure that people who are differently abled are included, and there is inclusion in all the government facilities. That those children who are at home, who you are not bringing to institutions like this, we should put all our efforts together and ensure that we bring them from the homes, bring them to institutions like this, so that they are able to benefit from the facilities that are here and are also able to learn and be empowered. Acknowledges what these institutions has done in ensuring that the people with disabilities are not only offered education opportunities, but they are also empowered. Because that is not only a right, but it also is our duty as Kenyans to ensure that we empower them. As the office of the spouse of the Deputy President, we shall work together. I am so glad that Hamwe is able to pledge that he will take sponsorship of 2 of the students.